we're gonna show you guys how to achieve this makeup look. I feel like this is a nice summer glam. Hey guys, and we're back at it again with another video. And today we're gonna be showing you guys how to achieve this makeup look. Do you guys like it? Ooh, look at that highlight. It's poppin'. It's poppin'. Okay, so before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. So let's get into this makeup tutorial. Okay guys, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows first. So today I'm gonna be using this. So this is the Anastasia Dip Brow in shade Ash Brown. And I'm gonna be using the Anastasia eyebrow brush in 14. So before I start filling in my eyebrows with a dip brow, I like to first outline the shape of my eyebrows. Then I like to go back in and fill it. I also like to brush the eyebrows with the spoolie. This takes out any harsh lines. By doing so, it makes your eyebrows appear more natural. Okay, so then we're gonna conceal our eyebrows with our Morphe M244 brush. And we're gonna be using our Graftobian palette in shade Warm. And I'm just gonna get this color. And we're gonna conceal our eyebrows. So when I conceal my eyebrows, I just like to go sharpen up the shape of the outline that I originally did and fix any imperfections. Okay, then I'm gonna get this brush from Vera. I think I got this in my Ipsy bag. We're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. What's this one? We're gonna go in with Shade Alert. When blending, I like to first go in circular motions, and once I'm done with the circular motion, I like going left to right, and then I keep blending and blending until it's fully blended. Then I'm going to go in with this color in Rush. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe M411 brush. And I'm going to get this shade, Secret. Back in with the same concealer brush. And then we're gonna use the concealer for just the middle. Then I'm gonna go in with this brush from Amazon, and I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Pro palette. Go in with this color right here in shade Obsessed. Then I'm gonna use the Anastasia glitter glue, and then I'm gonna use NYX glitter palettes, I think it's called. So it's MGL1 or MGLI. And then I'm gonna use my MAC 239 brush to pick up the glitter. And then I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe M441 brush. And then we're gonna go back in with Secret. Go back in with the Anastasia 14 eyebrow brush for the liner. We're gonna use the Ink Blacklist gel eyeliner, and this is the same stuff that I used on the last video. But that's all I have, and I haven't stopped at the store to get any new ones. I kind of want to go back in a little bit more with Secret, so that one again. Okay, now we're gonna glue on the lashes. So I'm gonna use these same ones that I used on my everyday makeup tutorial. Oh, and I'm using the duo glue again. I'm gonna go back in with Secret. Okay, now I'm gonna prime my face, and today I'm gonna use Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. use my Estée Lauder. That's my favorite foundation because I don't have color yet. And it's in shade 3W1. And this is the color that I always use and the foundation that I always use. If you guys have other recommendations on like foundations that are like medium coverage that look good and feel good, let me know in the comment section down below so I can go check out new foundations. Okay, now that I'm done with the foundation, I am gonna go in with my concealer, Born This Way concealer in Natural Beige. I'm gonna contour my face with Born This Way concealer again, but this one is in shade Butterscotch. Today I'm gonna bake. I'm gonna get my Airspun, translucent powder, and I'm gonna use this brush that I got from Amazon. I'm kind of nervous because I feel like this is too light. Let's see. And I don't like to bake that much, so I let it sit for a couple seconds and then I brush it off. Okay, now we're gonna go back in with this Benefit blush bar, and we're gonna get Hula again, my favorite. We'll never switch because I love it. Now we're gonna do California, and I'm gonna mix California and Gold Rush together. Okay, now I'm going to use this brush I got on Amazon and contour my nose with Hula again. Okay, now we're going to go back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I kind of want to blend a little more. So I'm going to go back with Alert and Secret again. And then I'm going to fix this part. Okay, now I'm going to use this Morphe M152 brush, and we're going to use Alert first. So we're going to use this color, and then we're going to go under. And then I'm going to go back in with Secret. I'm going to get the corner. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade Boom for my inner corner. I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe M456 brush, and then I see I want to blend some more. So I'm just gonna blend. Okay, now I'm gonna get my Too Faced Better Than, you know, mascara. Okay, now that that is done, for my highlight today, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette, and we're going to go in shade Lyra, which is right here, and I'm using the Fenty highlighter brush. Okay. Oh, and then I'm going to go in with my M152 brush. It looks like this, and then I'm gonna use the same highlight, and we're gonna highlight under the brow, so like right here. And there we have it, guys. This is the final product. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and the lips I did off camera because my camera actually died, so I will leave the name in the description box down below so you could check it out. I know it's from Kylie's Cosmetics, but I don't know what shade it is, so I'll for sure leave it down for you guys so you guys can check it out. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, don't forget to leave your girl a thumbs up. And remember, guys, stay savvy, stay positive, and stay blessed. Until the next video, bye.